Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pari here. Today I am in Philippines. I am in Manila, a city in Philippines. Lots of my colleagues, friends are from Philippines, so I'm happy to be here. In the morning it was raining, but now it's nice and sunny. So I thought I will come out for a walk, and while I was walking around in the hotel, I find this place which looked like a local market kind of place, but everything is closed. So I came inside and I can see some fish market, fresh vegetables and fruit market, and there are some seaside restaurants around here. Of course everything is takeaway, it's open, but takeaway for the restaurant. This place looks like a very nice hangout area. Behind me is the sea. I will show you in a while. I'm sure on a normal day it's like a hangout place for the people around here to come with their friends and family, and it looks like a quite lively place. And I saw some rooftop bar, sky bar, and there are some restaurants with lights and everything also on top, which also looks like very cool area. Lots of constructions are happening now. Maybe they're taking this time when everything is closed. I will walk around here for some time, and looks like a really nice place to get some great Instagram pictures. So I will click some pictures for my Instagram. Yeah, I will just enjoy the weather over here. I'll show you around. So this is the market, restaurant and bars around here on the seaside. Look at this place, you can walk around here. So I have come here to just walk because it was near my hotel. Look at the lovely sea. When people are not chilling, the dogs are chilling here. 1, 2, 3 here. One there. And the people you can see, few people you can see around are working here actually for maintenance. In Asia, if you have come to Asia before, you will know that this app, Food Panda, Grab, is very famous app to order online for food, groceries, everything. So that is one restaurant, and here another one, Asian Taste Restaurant. I like menu which looks like this because it's easy to decide what to eat when you see the picture. And I'm so spoiled because I travel to Asia a lot, and I'm used to looking at the picture and ordering. And yeah, if you go on a fine dining restaurant and you see only written menu, I get really very confused to decide what to eat. Market close? I have minced fish, right? Lobster also? Wait. So he said this fish market is open. They have lobster and fish. Wow.
Scallop.
These are king prawns?
Yeah. King prawn.
So this is the wet market. I think all seafood around here. So buying seafood from Philippines is good. It's fresh. So let's see. So now he's cleaning it for me.
Stomach. Remove.
I don't know to remove. I learned today from you, okay?
Okay.
So it's cleaning so nice. Look, big
Sabay niya na.
What fish is this?
I'm the same fish.
He's having too much fun.
The friend only had itself.
You catch the fish?
Yes.
Wow!
I'm the same.
So he catch the fish, this big fish.
Picturean mo kami lang.
Nice one.
Ayaw.
I did not catch it.
Nice one. Tatra tayo dyan, Lord. Lord rin ah.
So you do a good business today, okay?
Yes.
All the best. So I bought this prawn for around $8. So 350?
400. 400 and 50 because clean for me. Coronavirus.
Yes. So those restaurant I have shown you, all this, they prepared all this parcel. I think it's going somewhere now. Look at this. How beautifully placed. This is life of pandemic. I came out for a walk from the hotel and I bought some prawn from that market. And now I am walking back to my room. Look at this.
Pasa mo lang sa akin.
So green. Philippines is full of very beautiful islands around here. So last couple of years back I have visited Cebu. Near Cebu there is another island called Bohol Island. I have been there also. So the islands are really beautiful. To visit the island you have to normally book a ticket for the boat. Hi. So you take a boat from the mainland to the island. Islands around, I don't know, depends on where you are going, from 30 minutes to maybe hours, few hours. So there are a couple of islands around here where you can visit. And I'm not visiting any island this time, just Manila. Manila is a city here. Lots of tall buildings and it is like a proper city, like anywhere. So I'm back to my hotel here now. We'll order something to eat and then rest, freshen up and go back to work. Thank you for watching my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, comment and subscribe. See you soon again.